Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is going to be on this easy anime girl / snow filter inspired look. As an Ipsy creator, I am using some products for my September glam bag. I think this is perfect for a last minute Halloween costume, so if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. First, I'm gonna conceal my eyelids. Next, I'm setting them. For the transition shade, I'm using this light pink shadow from the Too Faced Natural Love palette. I want this eye look to be very natural with an emphasis on enlarged eyes, so we're gonna keep the eyeshadow very light. In the inner portion and center, I'm applying a light gold shimmer to add a little twinkle to the eyes. Next, I'm going to draw a double wing using brown liner. You can use black liner if you want, but I personally think it looks too harsh. I'm also going to extend the bottom lash line. I'm curling my lashes and applying the Hourglass Cosmetics Caution Extreme Lash Mascara to add length and volume. I'm next applying very natural falsies and layering up individual lashes on the outer corners. To make the eyes pop more, I'm using a glittery shadow in the center of the eyelids. Moving on to the face, I'm going to apply the Glow for a Cause Facial Moisturizing Cream. This is going to leave my skin smooth and hydrated underneath the makeup. Next, I'm using the Smashbox Cosmetics Photo Finish Primerizer to prime my face and also to stop makeup from settling into my pores so I can get that smooth anime-like skin. Before we continue with the base, I'm going to use the Skin Iceland Berry Lip Fix. We are going to apply a matte eyeliner to the lips later for a glossy effect, so this will help prep them by hydrating and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Going back to the face, I'm applying the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Next, I'm going to apply the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. I really want flawless skin for this look, so I'm actually going to switch out my beauty sponge and blend out my concealer with a brush since it doesn't soak up as much product. This is the Luxie Beauty Harley Quinn Detail Flat Definer 110 brush. The size and shape is perfect for concealing for a flawless finish, especially around and between the eyebrows. I'm now going to set my face with translucent powder. Using the Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder, I'm going to contour. I'm also going to bronze in a circular motion on the nose area to get a cute button nose effect. This is the Dose Free Matic Bronzer in Sunbeam, which is really finely milled, so it blends seamlessly into the contour. I'd recommend using a bronzer instead of contour here since contour can look a little too gray. Now for the fun part, I'm going to apply a light pink blush with this puff from Etude House. The puff is going to help start the circular base shape. I'm next going to pack on a darker pink blush in the center. If the shape becomes too messy, you can always clean it up with a concealer pencil. I'm gonna apply some blush underneath my eyes and on my nose as well. Using a pink lipstick, I'm gonna draw 3 slanted lines on my cheeks for that cartoon blushing effect. Make sure to blend it out with your fingers or a beauty sponge so the lines don't look too harsh. Moving on to highlighter, I'm using the Morphe High Impact Highlighter in Spark. This formula is really light and weightless, so it's perfect for this look since we already applied so much product to the cheeks. Using a white eyeliner, I'm gonna start drawing little highlights for the shiny effect. I'm also applying white eyeliner to my lashes and underneath my bottom lashes to make them look sparkly. I'm gonna use the same Hourglass mascara on the outer portion of my bottom lashes. For lips, I'm using NYX's Peekaboo Neutral Lip Liner. Next, I'm applying concealer to lighten the edges. In the center, I'm using the Trace Stick Mini Lip Glaze in English Rose. This endures like a stain and gives a soft shine. I wouldn't use a gloss because it can get really messy, especially in the next step. Finally, I'm using white eyeliner on my bottom lip to create a glossy effect. If you're planning on wearing your natural hair and heat styling it, you can apply the Hayati Weightless Smoothing Cream, which seals the hair cuticle and controls frizz. And this is the completed look. But before we start with the outro, I'm actually going to show you how I remove my makeup and cleanse. I'm using an oil-based makeup remover so all of the product can slide off. Next, I'm washing my face and cleansing using the Creme Shop's 2-in-1 Facial Foam Cleanser with green tea, white lily, and rice water. This is a really gentle formula which removes oil and makeup while also relieving redness and acne scars. You can follow that with the rest of your skincare routine, but cleansing is the most important part to get rid of all of the leftover makeup. And now, cue the outro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this easy last-minute Halloween makeup look. I think this is super cute and wearable, and I really hope you try it. Also, thank you to Ipsy and its brand partners for some of the products in this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.